Howdy, Wall Street Willie. What are the advantages of investing in Treasury bills? T-bills are backed by the full faith and credit of the US government, meaning there is no risk of losing your investment due to default. They are also liquid, which means you can easily buy or sell them in the secondary market. The maturities of T-bills are under a year, making them a good choice if you want a short-term investment. They also have a low minimum investment of just $100. They offer predictable returns that are comparable with high-yield savings accounts. Lastly, the profit earned from T-bills is exempt from state and local income taxes. What are the disadvantages of investing in Treasury bills? Since T-bills are very low-risk investments, they also have far lower returns than riskier options like corporate bonds or the stock market. And like other fixed income securities, T-bills are subject to interest rate risk. If you need to sell your T-bill before maturity and the interest rates have risen, you might lose money. Also, it's possible to actually end up losing purchasing power if inflation exceeds your returns. Lastly, federal income tax still applies to your profit. Should I invest in Treasury bills? T-bills are a great choice for short-term investors who want a risk-free investment with high liquidity, like if you're saving for an emergency fund or a down payment on a house. But if you aren't investing for the short term and are okay with more risk, alternatives like corporate bonds or the stock market are better, since they'll give you far higher profits over the long term. Thank you very much, Wall Street Willie. You're welcome, Super Cooper. Remember, finance is your friend.